event, more so than a celebratory one. We are talking about the security of our country. It is not the appointment that we have fanfares about.
At long last, Kamesa Ghana yatiasem de afa Professor Naana Opoku Agyemang, ye Vice President. Yatiasem de because me who video bi a go viral. As a video no Professor Naana Opoku Agyemang ankasa ene gina mu aye se all kasa all speech. Now that particular video who ye no kra no. As a asem ho, but more heard that particular video no. Area na ye di ho enkomo aha ye Penyah block media. Mesra say di mo. Over like a video na dawo ma over subscribe to us na ba click the notification icon for latest update na ba kire wa dwe ba me e wo Commendation mesra so ba so a oba share video mo so enya bi ahwe eti Ghana esi a na obi a konukoto ye na obom pa ya okai Professor Naana Opoku Agyemang Ghana ye Vice President as on ye first female Vice President since the creation of this country Ghana, since the creation of this very country Ghana ye nya Vice President or your bada it way a first time in history. We are making great history. But say on the 30th of March 2025, when and a poppy up say your Vice President he cry say you didn't say home and he cried or yare I say you're flying a camera I have Felix Fosu Kwache, spokesperson for the president, and I did this particular information a buy. As him and I said no hold the door no. That was the 29th March. Abana or move point you our parliament and as yare a chain. And on the UGMC hospital, but it won't be interesting and say na e was flying into a flying to London. It's your order I from time to time in case say obey here medical care biana a honor obeko. It no abeji media nina abos ebisi ne kra no. Eno na that's a hot conversation on the street. Emo fu biaza ki say mama jin kra no what to say any other dinner. Interestingly, many video bi a say mo say NDC for na start security that particular video omu claim say Mami Jane no hoye na afedi wa ba abontene abekasa ebusia yenko hwe that particular video ne emra
Event, more so than a celebratory one. We are talking about the security of our country. It is not the appointment that we have fanfares about. And I want to thank our president for the honor done us, and I want to assure him that as members of council, we will rise to the responsibility and ensure that his confidence is not misplaced. I think this is very important. As a council, we accept to serve diligently, loyally, with patriotic zeal, to reset the Ghana and reset the Ghana Armed Forces too, to ensure that we have peace, we have stability for our beloved nation. So we want to ensure that the Ghana Armed Forces retain, sustain, and even extend its reputation, which is established globally. We are very proud of our armed forces, and we know that they have even further to go. Congratulations, and this is also the time to remember those who've come before us and all the roles they have played. And our pledge is to ensure that we strengthen and even add on to what they have established, which is very admirable and which we celebrate. And as an advisory council, as a council, we are in an advisory position, very separate from management, but ending with us. And this is something we need to take very important notice of, so we don't mix our roles. And therefore, we will ensure that we give sound advice on matters of policy, those that relate to defense, to strategy, including military budgeting and finance, administration, and promotion of officers above the rank of lieutenant colonel or its equivalent. We know that our country is facing some challenges in terms of security, our borders, even internal challenges. And therefore, we need to pay attention to all of these, even as we pay attention to our bilateral and multilateral relations in relation to security. They are all very important. There are times when we can't go alone. We have to follow an ECOWAS, we have to call on the AU, and we have to negotiate well to ensure that our people, the men and the women, return peacefully, return with all the knowledge that they have acquired in the process. We should also not be, we shouldn't forget about other illegal things going on in the country. We have illegal mining, illegal logging, illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing piracies, violent extremism, terrorism. These remind all of us, even chieftaincy disputes. All of these should remind all of us that there's a lot of work ahead. As a council, we pledge to play a role, and we want to invite everybody to come along. Security, as they say, is everybody's business. We also know that we are facing, an economic crisis. That's what it is. And this has saddled the Ministry of Defense with a debt of 3.7 billion Ghana cedis, including a 275 million indebtedness to food suppliers. We need to improve infrastructure, including housing. We have a huge deficit. But we also know that there's so much capability in our military forces. And we also know the roles they can play towards advancing our 24-hour economy. The military doesn't lack talent or skill in any of our disciplines. So we call on you to support us. We have the DIHOC, that is the Defense Industrial Holding Company, and this requires private sector participation for food production, for infrastructural development, for many things. And it will not be too much to expect that in the manufacturing sector, even vehicle assembly, the pharmaceutical production, whatever, we see our Ghana Armed Forces participating effectively in all these areas. So we invite all of us, especially our armed forces, to champion the 24-hour economy through what they also do. And we want to assure our president that the Ghana Armed Forces will continue to use the methods that are humane, the methods that are effective in their, including modern technology in whatever form, to enhance operational efficiency of the forces. So, Mr. President, we want to thank you and we want to assure you that we'll carry the mandate you have reposed in us and we'll continue to dialogue with you whenever necessary. This is also the time for me to add my voice to what our boss has said in relation to the outgoing CDS and chiefs and service chiefs. We want to commend them highly for what they have done for this country. And we know that sometimes when you leave, your knowledge, your examples don't leave. And I mention in particular General Thomas Opompepra, the Chief of Defense Staff, Lieutenant General Bismarck Kwesi Omuna, Chief of Army Staff, Vice Admiral Issa Adam Yakubu, Chief of Naval Staff, and of course, Air Marshal Frederick Asari Kwesi Bekwin, Chief of Air Staff. We want to thank you. God bless you in your immediate and remote activities. Thank you all for your kind attention.
As my law established, that I will uphold the the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. So help me God. In the office of member of the House Council, and that I will uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, as by law established. So help me God.
So this video ana go viral. I'm for claim say Mami Jane ne ho ye na waba be kasa. And we nam say na Ghana for no ebi wadwene mo hasa. Mami no yare ye nyina ye bomb person no ho beto. But why must you spread false information about her? Say ye ne ye Atamis yare a ne yare mo den yes o Atamis ho ye wabe kasa wabe press conference any false cinema no be gina park so pija wonsa ye say hwihwili elo zo hwihwili ye ni na enu ni na senatim owuye abra atam no hia medical attention ba na de yale ni ye joke. Professor Naana Opoku Agyemang oyare video we happen on 24th March 2025 we air the formation of the new Armed Forces Council. The Armed Forces Council na mahama forming for the 9th Parliament no. The 24th March the inauguration of that council. In that council, Naana Opoku Agyemang any the chairperson for that council. What I say? It is that particular inauguration and the course where video go 24th March 2025. Monday, international Saturday, and yare bechi Naana Opoku Agyemang call ayare sabie. It is video in amount for a circulating there. A force, a no crack, a old video. Mama no yare. Yem fan pie entire chinenya ise munu na tiga na haidie. I know say And this is for no person who try to shame the other public. Who feel many obi or no one person with Debbie. But why must we do this? Spreading false news. Obi ya leo hiankwa. E wo say we are wishing so, but the fact that we are praying saying we call hiankwa no doesn't mean say brabema false hope. Don't do it. Don't do it. You will be a yanyama mamma no mran kwamu. Nienya say ye play politics with this because oye nyina ye ni owu a ebe ha ye nyina. Obi no obompaye in his right senses. Obi ni wa na adwene ye adwuma. Obembe mpese mamma no mu dabi. Obi no na adwene ye. Adwene nyam no ma obi no na de ye adwuma. Obembe mpese mamma no. And this false news now and this is for more spreading of please munyai sir. Ubetuma chere wa adwene ama me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.